day 3, Pete's, right? 3-day install, 3 truckloads down here with our new tilting delivery method. We're doing 2 modules today that go together into one 40 long foot piece, okay? They will be opening this weekend, just it'll be black label. We're gonna stay safe, we're gonna communicate good, we're gonna work in teams. Everybody put it in. Go street seats, 1, 2, 3, go street seats. You can see we did this one already. That was the number 1. We got one around the corner. This new rolling delivery method that we're doing, bee's knees. The dumpster casters, we can just roll it around the streets and get them into the little places. The main delivery on the big avenues and the cross streets. So we got one more of these. It's gonna come in and go around and nest on the other side. And that's gonna put us together for a 40-foot street seat. We got 2 units dropped on the streets, married together, leveled out, 9:35, not bad, pretty excited, 2.5 hours. They're assembled, put in the last couple of bolts in the floor, and we're gonna get going. The roofs, the floors, the ADA ramps, it's all coming together. Pete's for street seats for Pete's.
We've got all of our floor panels in, we've got our ADA ramps in. Now we're just finishing our rings. We've got our upper U's in. We're gonna put some tabs on to hold the roof. Corrugated goes on, and then we're out of here.